Hello, little learners! Welcome back to our phonics class. Today, we will learn what are vowels, what are consonants, how many vowels and consonants are there in English? Are you ready? Let's start. What are vowels? In English, we have 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. How do vowels sound? When we say vowels, our mouth stays open. Let's say the vowel sounds together. A says ah, apple. E says egg. I says ice. O says orange. U says umbrella. Excellent! What are consonants? All the other letters are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in English. When we say consonants, our lips, tongue, or teeth touch. Let's count together. How many letters are there in English? 26 letters. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many consonants? 21 consonants. Amazing! Quiz time! Now it's your turn. How many vowels are there in English? Name the vowels. How many consonants are there in English? Is a vowel or a consonant? Is B a vowel or a consonant? Is O a vowel or a consonant? Great job, little learners! Today we learned vowels, consonants, 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.